The InView 360 AVM system provides drivers with a real-time 360-degree bird's-eye view of the area surrounding the driver's vehicle. To achieve this, the InView 360 system captures 4 separate images from the 4 cameras mounted in the front, on the side, and at the rear of the vehicle, and uses a calibration software to stitch the images together. The end result is a single real-time image of the area surrounding the vehicle. Using an in-cab monitor, drivers can switch between multiple cameras, displaying the top as well as the left, right, front, or rear of the vehicle.